Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing and liking. In this video, we are going to look at equations with the rational exponents. So I do have an example which is on the worksheet here to illustrate. So in this example, I have x to the power of half minus 5x to the power of a quarter plus 6. So how do we go about solving this one? First things first, we need to take note of this x to the power of half, and we are going to change the expression. So my expression is x to the power of half. I'm going to rewrite that to say when I have a half, it is as good as saying x to the power of a quarter times 2, because when I have a quarter times 2, that gives me a half. 2 quarters gives us a half. So we can rewrite that expression in this manner here. Then we take this and bring it here. Instead of writing x to the power of half, we rewrite that as x to the power of a quarter squared. That means we're talking about the same thing here. Minus 5x, we bring this down, and plus 6, which is equal to 0. Now, I can introduce the k to say let this x to the power of a quarter be a k. So I'm going to say this, which is x to the power of a quarter, I'm calling it k. So it means I have k squared minus 5k, this is a k, the whole thing here, plus 6 is equal to 0. Now here we talked about this quadratic expression when we need to factorize the quadratic expression, where we looked at this times that gives us 6. So we look at factors of 6. So if I multiply my 1, which is the coefficient of k squared, and the 6, I get 6 here. But I'm looking for factors which, when I multiply them, they give me a 6. But when I add them, they give me a negative 5. So the factors are minus 3 and 2. Because when I multiply this, I get a positive 6. But when I add this, I get a negative 5. So I'm going to take these and put them in my bracket to say k minus 3 and k minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, I can go ahead and say either k, when I look at this bracket, either k minus 3 is equal to 0 or k minus 2 is equal to 0. This gives me k is equal to 3 or k is equal to 2, because that goes the other side and changes the sign, much in the same way as this one goes the other side to change the sign. I hope you guys, let me put this one up. So, okay. But since we say that our k, we know our k to be x is equal to the power of a quarter is equal to 3. This means in the last example, we had to multiply this here to get rid of a fraction by 4 So we are going to do the same here to multiply, to raise it to the power of 4 also. So here what happens is that cancels to leave us with an x is equal to 3 to the power of 4. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Our answer here is 81. And then we do the same here. We substitute, or we bring back our x to the power of a quarter is equal to 2. And what do we do when we have this quarter? We have to get rid of the fraction by multiplying by 4 this side and also multiply by 4 this side. The reason is we want to get rid of this 4 here. That's why we're multiplying by 4. So this multiplies that, it cancels. Our x is equal to 2 to the power of 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That gives us 16. I do hope you enjoyed this example. You understood well. If you didn't understand anything, or if you want me to redo anything that you're not so comfortable with, please you can just write in the comment section below. I hope to see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed my videos. Bye.